Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I don't know if you guys remember when I was preparing this with compost with the grass, and I was mixing the grass with the dirt. I have a video with this showing how I make my compost. Now today I want to plant some pepper. So I come and I mix up the dirt really good, because what happened, it rained like crazy last night, and the earth is so soft. So now is the right time to plant, guys. Well, I don't know. Some people still getting serious cold weather, so I can't tell you guys that. So I'm sorry for that, but if you get in good weather, now is the time to plant, because spring is here and I'm so excited. Because spring is here and I'm getting ready to plant. So now I prepared these beds. I prepared these beds right here, and I'm getting ready to plant, guys. Yes. Oh, I didn't show you guys. It's my peach tree. Let me give you a view of my peach tree. This is my peach tree right here. Beautiful, eh? Nice. This tree, two trees fall and break off two pieces of this tree, and this is one piece. If you look at it, you see that's one half of the tree gone there. The two other half break to the ground. But guess what? Look how exciting and beautiful this tree looking. And this is half. So if this wasn't break twice, we would have a real big round peach tree right here. But let's go over here. Yes, guys, so now I'm here getting ready to plant. I'm using the camera with one my hand, and I got to plant with one. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. So now these are some peppers, guys. You might look at these and you might say, damn, these peppers is small. Why he planting them so young? Listen to me. From my experience, the younger you plant them, if you know how to care them, is better. Because guess what? If I plant these now and they start growing in the spring, they're gonna just continue growing. But if I wait another 3 weeks to plant these, then I got to take them out at that time, plant them, then they got to start catching back themselves to get going. So you holding back the plant. So what I do, I plant them young. So when I plant them young, especially before the spring, when the spring hit, everything gone. So it's techniques about planting. Remember, you want to harvest as much as you can. So the more earlier you plant, the more you're gonna harvest. But remember, you have to take care of them. You cannot just plant them and leave them, guys. You have to take care of them. Okay, so now, I don't know if you notice, but you see how low I have the dirt? It's a reason why I have the dirt like this. Because next year, I'm gonna throw in more grass and more bush and keep mixing. So this will always have good compost ready for the following year. So when I throw again, it's not gonna be over. You see, I have room to throw in bush and dirt and all kind of thing. All right. So now, guys, bear with me because I'm using one hand. Yeah, bear with me, I'm using one hand and I'm planting peppers today. Okay? No, you don't want to damage the root. At all, you don't want to damage the root. You see this? Hold on. Beautiful. You see the white root? It shows you they start growing. So if you plant this now, bam! You did the right thing, because this start growing already. It's a little difficult, guys, because I'm using one hand, okay? So that's one right there. The earth is really soft and wet right now, so now is really the right time to plant, especially in times like this. You need to plant early so you could get harvest. You could harvest a lot before the year finish, or before the cold weather come and hit you. Okay, so that's two there. You see how beautiful they're looking? I know you guys must be saying, damn, this thing is so small. Why are you planting them so small? I'm gonna show you in a video one day why I'm planting them so small. Once they start growing, I ain't got to worry about transplanting again, because they already start growing. I don't want to wait until 3-4 weeks from now for them to get bigger and I know planting. No, by that time these plants gonna already start growing, taken to that journey to start bearing, you know. And don't forget, guys, when you're doing this, you have to, you see how big this bed is? But what I do, I make a way, I leave a way there that I can walk around. Okay, so I can take care of the other side from here. So don't make it big and then you just plant up the whole bed. You have to leave room for you to walk. Okay, this is another one right here. Guys, this plant ain't even 2 inches tall. They're not even 2 inches tall and I'm planting. And they're not even 2 inches tall. But if you want to do this, you got to know what you're doing. You got to definitely know what you're doing. And you also have to take care of them. You got to come, you got to make sure no leaf is covering them, no dirt roll along on them. All these kind of things you got to do. Yeah, you have to make sure that you in cover, no leaf fall on them. Because if leaf fall on this, it could kill them. You do not want to damage these roots at all, because you want the plant to start growing. You don't want the plant to have to fight to gather back root, because you damage the root. Okay, guys, you know, I enjoy this and I hope you guys enjoying the videos, because I enjoy doing this. And I'm teaching you guys how to make a garden, a big garden, for 50 bucks or maybe less. There's a lot of fancy things you can use, but is it benefiting you or the plant? Let me ask you guys this question. This is a question I want to ask. Do you want a small, nice size, healthy plant, healthy vegetable, like a tomato, cabbage, whatever, nice, not too big, but nice size. But guess what? It's organic. Or you want the big juice, big one that full of chemicals everywhere. Which one you rather? I rather the nice size. I rather the nice size and organic. I don't want the big one and all kind of chemical inside of it. So guys, that's how they're looking. That's how they're looking. They're looking beautiful already. Yeah, so that's how I do my thing. Don't forget, everybody do their stuff differently. I'm doing it this way. I'm teaching this way because of the result I get. So somebody else gonna teach you another way because of their result. So I understand that. I'm not knocking anybody's way of planting. I'm not doing that at all. I'm just showing my subscribers them the way I do it and how much I harvest from doing it. No big fancy nothing. This is the original way of planting. The original way of gardening. In the old time, those people never was using all kind of different fertilizer and all kind of stuff. Let me tell you guys, a good manure you could use for your plant is fall doo-doo mixed with sawdust. If you can get that, listen to me, those things will make your plant them grow 1 to 3. So hear me, fall doo-doo with sawdust mixed together, fine sawdust. Okay guys, this is my garden. This is some pepper that I plant. Today is the 18th, yes, I think it's the 18th around there. But this is some pepper that I now plant and showing you guys that you can plant them very small and you can plant them big, whatever you decide. I'm just trying to get them in the earth before the spring. Still have 2 more beds here to plant, but I'm not going to show you guys them. It might take up too much time, so I'm just gonna tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you guys for everything, man. I appreciate you guys. You see that view down there, guys? Really nice. And I have some grapes I want to plant. I'm trying to plant fruit tree too because I love grape and grape ain't cheap, so I'm trying to plant my fruits them as well. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.